Depositing a check is just as easy as snapping a photo. Let's see how. Step 1. Go to the App Store for Apple or the Google Play Store for Android. Step 2. Search for Patelco and tap to download the app. Step 3. Depending on your device preferences, you may need to enter your App Store password. Step 4. Once the app is installed, sign in using your existing Patelco online user ID or select Sign Up Now. Now, let's go over how simple it is to deposit your check. Select Deposit Check on the bottom of the screen. Review and agree to the terms, and then select Done. Select the account where you want your deposit to go. Enter the deposit amount. Sign the back of your check and write for Mobile Deposit, Patelco Credit Union. Select Check Front. A pop-up may appear to allow access to your camera. Select Allow. Center your check and position it against a plain background. Once it looks good, we'll take the photo for you. Select Check Back and we'll automatically take the photo of the back of your check. Ensure your deposit amount is correct and your photos are uploaded. Select Deposit Check. That's it! You'll receive an email confirmation from Patelco. The easiest way to deposit a check is a mobile deposit. It's quick, it's on your schedule, and it's available anywhere with the Patelco Mobile App.